As per Pakistani Army, the Z-10 ME helicopters were inducted at the Muzaffargarh field firing ranges on Saturday. Chinese media says Z-10 version of this helicopter is already deployed by the PLA near China's border with India. Now, as per Defense News, China sent 3 of its Z-10 helicopters for trials in Pakistan in 2021, but they failed to impress officials and were returned. Now it seems that Pakistan has accepted the export variant with some modifications and improvements. The helicopter is suitable for mountainous areas and can reach speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour. Its maximum takeoff weight is roughly 7,200 kilograms. Now this comes days after India upgraded its fleet of combat helicopters. On July 22nd, the Indian Army received its initial delivery of 3 AH-64E Apache Guardian helicopters from the United States, which is the latest variant of the attack helicopters, which are to be expected to be deployed on India's western front bordering Pakistan. This comes as India is looking to beef up its overall air defense capabilities, including its fighter jet fleet. Currently, with MiG-21s phasing out and no replacements ready, the Indian Air Force is inching closer towards a numerical parity with Pakistan and nowhere close to China.